Hi everyone, good morning. Today what we'll be learning is use of simple Apex code and command links components which are present in Salesforce pages, and we will use some images on click of certain images which will be calling JavaScript and JavaScript calling the Apex classes. So this simply creates this beautiful user interface for the people. Well, clicking on this plus button keeps on adding every record of the object. You can add how many records you want. On click of this delete, which removes the delete of a particular record. So what happens is this delete it is a list of object type which keeps on adding a list of an object record, and this deletes from the end, like whatever record you want to delete. And this remove link, and as well as, so you can see that this is interacting with the Apex controller. You can see the whole page is refreshing, right? And the same thing happens with this. This is a command from links. They directly call the Apex methods, where you have action and you have inverted commas. You call ends the bank function, and you call the action method, which is present in the Apex controller. Okay, and you can see this is the bubblegum objects which are over here. What we'd be doing is, you can see big fun is there, and you can see the big fun, his phone number is this, say for example. And now we're going to write something like bubblegum is anything like candy gum, and some number of it. Then we have very old big one, and we are going to write some number of it. Then we have something like center fresh, and we are going to write some number with it. These are all the input fields which we are going to write, and what we need to keep in mind is these are all going to be the records of one particular object. So we are going to create a list of records of one particular object and save them. On click of this save, you are having a function which is internally calling. If you go back and refresh this page in the bubblegums, you can see what all objects. One is the center, one is center fresh, and big farm, and candy gum. You can see all the numbers we have written. Yes, phone numbers which is there over here, the bubblegum, these are all there. But the main thing we want to fill these two. So if you already look at the code which is written, is you have one action row header, and you have a list of bubblegum objects, and you have certain contact list. This is no need to worry about that. What it says is you have this constructor which is written over here, which is instantiating this bubblegum object list, and these are all commented. You don't look up the comments, and then you have add row. On click of an add row, on click of the image, either an image or the command link, what happens exactly is, to the page list you are adding a new bubblegum object to the page list. So on click of delete, to the page list you are removing one, the last of the page list for indexing. You're indexing the last list and you're removing it. On click on save, you're inserting the page list. The page list is nothing but the list of bubblegum objects, and you're clearing the list and adding a particular row again, calling back. So this is the send and the text for unique. Is none of your worries. Just concentrate on what is essential over here. And in the web page, if you totally just go and see, you have simple functions which are written, like one is the command link, which is add row, which directly calls add row methods. One more is actually command link, which is delete row, which directly calls a delete function present in the Apex class. And you have two sources over here, Apex colon image, which is we calling from the static resource, which is the plus name, and we have on click create row, on click delete row. Same thing, on click create row, what happens is you are calling the on click create row, where this JavaScript is calling internally the Apex function. If it all check with this name, you can see that Apex function is re-rendering to the particular form ID, and as well as adding row. So it's repeated browsers, it's good. And with a good UI, I hope it'll be good for you. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.